I'll show you how you can make a Gmail account without a phone number. So from your Google account here, you want to go ahead and go to the top right section here. On here, you want to tap on add account here. Now, once you tap on add account, you want to go ahead and tap on create account here. On here, you want to tap on for my personal use. On my very personal use, you want to go ahead and enter in your credit essential here. So for example, I'm just going to do John Doe. And then on John Doe, I'm just gonna enter in my birthday here. So March and then 2022. And then my year will be 1970. And then the gender will be male, for example. I'm gonna tap on next. After that, you can enter in your username. So it'll be just John Doe and then a number, bunch of number like this. I'm gonna tap on next. After that's done, you want to go ahead and tap in your password. I'm gonna make a password like this, for example. I'm gonna confirm it here as well. So password like this, and I'm gonna tap on next. After all of that is done, you will have to scan the QR code with your phone, but don't worry, scanning the QR code won't associate your device or phone number with the new Google account. So this is still completely okay. You don't need to scan it or have a phone number. You just have to scan it with your QR code. So right now, just grab your phone and then scan the QR code so you can verify your account on Google. So once that's done, you just have to verify it and then follow the on-screen prompt to finish making the account on your Google Play.